Underneath the golden sun we rise. With every step we chase the skies.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, this is going to be the newest project that we're going to do. And this is a 2000 Harley Sportster 883. But this one that I was given has a 1200cc engine in it. So it's going to be our project. We're going to turn it into a cafe racer. I have here several examples of what we may be doing. So in case you don't know what a cafe racer is. As I go through this, I am going to try to document and film piece by piece everything we do. It does need a lot of work. Again, this was a gift given to me, but we're gonna make her into a cafe racer. Yes. And I plan to strip her down and get the frame sandblasted. We're gonna powder coat it, hopefully white, pearl white, and she's basically gonna be all white. And this is Project Eleanor. So more to come, guys.
It's a great time for an adventure with Rover Dude. We'll see amazing sights, places, and make fond memories. Beautiful days, star-filled nights, and wonderful times.